little artist. Do you want to draw a yummy coconut drink today? Let's make a fun and colorful drawing together. Ready?
Yay!
Let's go!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big round shape. This is our coconut. Now draw a curvy open top on the coconut. This is where the drink is. Now, let's add a straw. Draw a long line going up and bend it a little at the top. Draw a small, cute umbrella beside the straw. Make little triangle shapes for the umbrella top. Now, draw some small dashed lines on the coconut. This makes it look real and textured. Nice job, everyone! Our coconut drink drawing is complete. Now, let's make it look even better. Go over the lines and make the outline bold and sharp. Wow, looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Let's use bright colors. Green color.
Wow!
Lime color.
La 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 la.
Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. So beautiful and colorful. Great job, little artists. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.